Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily be Xero certified. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can become Xero certified. First, you need to join the Xero Partner Program. It's free for accounting and bookkeeping professionals. Just go to xero.com/partner-programs and sign up with your business details. Once you're in, head to Xero Central. This is where you'll find the Xero Certification course, a self paced program packed with videos, demos, and quizzes. It typically takes around 4 to 6 hours to complete. You'll learn how to set up clients in Xero, reconcile bank transactions, create invoices and reports, manage GST and payroll. Every module ends with a short quiz to test your knowledge. After completing the course and passing all the quizzes, you'll become Xero certified. You'll receive a digital certificate and a badge you can proudly display on your LinkedIn or your website. Your certification stays valid for 12 months. After that, you'll take a short update course to recertify, keeping you sharp and up to speed with Zero's latest features. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!